Hey guys, I'm Michael Allen.
And I'm D'Angelo for TravelCostaRicaNow.com.
Guess where we are?
We are at Paz Waterfall Gardens today.
Yeah, it's about, this is right by the Poás volcano, so you can do these both at the same, on the same day, which is about an hour from San Jose.
Yep, it is up in the mountains, so dress accordingly.
If you don't have your own car, if you just don't come out here, we would probably recommend taking a tour as opposed to trying to get out here on a bus.
Yeah, public bus isn't going to work too well. But the Paz Waterfall Gardens is a great place, great property. It costs $35 to get in.
Now, obviously, those prices could change. The only thing I would be hesitant about, this place is popular, and if you come during the high season, I got this funny feeling
that there's going to be a lot of tourists.
But you know what they did here? They mixed nature with convenience. Costa Rican nature with everything all in the same place.
You've got monkeys and jaguars and orchids.
Wait a minute. Let's just
waterfalls.
Let's just show them the footage.
Take a look. Take a look at this footage.
Check this out.
That's the spot, right behind the ears. I like to be massaged. One of my favorite Costa Rican animals. It's a martilla, and well, we call them Pikachus.
He is digging this.
I'll take him home.
Waterfall here in Paz.
Now this one's more my speed. So what you think? Pretty cool, huh?
I would say this is a must-do if you're coming to Costa Rica and you want to see a lot of what Costa Rica has to offer. This is a great place to see it.
We think so. We kind of like the hands-on thing a little bit, but anyway, you're in the area, got a little bit of time from San Jose or whatever.
I would recommend it. Paz Waterfall Gardens, guys.
All right, guys. I'm Michael Allen.
And I'm D'Angelo for TravelCostaRicaNow.com.
Peace, guys. Hope it helps.